This is the shoulder line, the armhole line, the bust line, under bust and waist line. This is the dart line, that's the bust band measurement divided by 2. On the dart line, mark 1 inch on both sides. On the bust line, come down by 1 inch and connect the darts like this. The shoulder slant is 1 inch. On the shoulder line, measure 2 inches towards your left. On that 2 inches, come down by 4 inches. The neck depth is 5.5 inches. You can choose any measurements of your choice depending on how deep you want it to be. Then make a curve connecting the 5.5 inches depth to the 4 inches like this. This is a very easy tutorial. We're going to extend the dart line like this. Mark 1 inch and connect it to the dart line like this. Add the 1 inch to the shoulder so that there won't be shortage. On the armhole line, mark the bust circumference divided by 4 plus the 1 inch dart. Do the same on the bust line. On the under bust, mark the under bust circumference divided by 4 plus your darts. Do the same on the waistline. Moving on to the armhole curve, find the midpoint. On that midpoint, measure ½ inch inwards and make a curve like this. Please note, I did not add sewing allowance to this pattern. It will be added to the fabric. For the back pattern, leave 1 or 1.5 inches allowance for zip on this side. Then on the shoulder, measure 2 inches just like we did on the front and come down by 4 inches. The depth would be 5 inches depending on how deep you want it to be. Then make a U curve from that 5 inches depth to the 4 inches like this. Make sure you add sewing allowance around it when you're cutting your fabric. Leave your questions in the comment section and I hope to see you in my next one. Have a good one. Bye.